Ma Terry here, and I am chilling with Tim from Mo Bang from your bucks.
For your bucks.
For your bucks. And we are having a great time exploring Little Saigon.
So how you like Little Saigon?
I love Little Saigon. I am so lucky. Tim is from Vietnam, so you speak the language incredibly well.
Thank you.
So it's so much fun to be on a tour with a really good tour guide. And but I wanted to talk to you about your YouTube channel. Now, where you will learn cool little tricks like this. So check them out. Mo Bang for your bucks. Great channel. You have done a lot of videos. I am so amazed at how wonderfully put together your van is. So I did do a complete van tour. You have so many smart, brilliant, easy things to do.
I just learned from YouTube, watching other people, just improve it a little bit.
So, you know, on your channel, you have a lot of videos on your van, how you put it together, but you also traveled extensively through the United States.
I did, I think for the last 5 years, traveled to all 48 state capitals.
All 48 state capitals?
So that means I've been to all 48 states.
The lower 48, as we like to call it. Have you been to Alaska yet?
Yes, but not driving my van. And I've been to Hawaii also, but not in the van.
Oh my gosh, I'm so jealous of you. So what are some highlights of your trip?
I don't know. I like to see places, people, different states, you know, how people live, how people, you know, carry on their life, you know.
Yeah.
It's different.
Yeah, I know. It's so different. New York
and
City.
And the scenery is spectacular. I mean, there's nowhere else you can see so much different from this different states. So.
Yeah, that's true. It's amazing whether you're in the deserts or Colorado.
And you get to try out food from different, you know,
regions.
Yep.
Yep. Isn't that amazing? We were talking about some good Creole food down in New Orleans. Have you been to New Orleans or around there?
Just quickly to the state capital, but I will go down there for the, what do you call that thing?
French Quarter, Mardi Gras. Oh no, Tim. My viewers will write in, you know, that is like wall-to-wall people. But it's fun.
Yeah.
I'm just glad my viewers send me beads. I don't have to go there and get them. It is a lot of fun, and the food's amazing.
Actually, I don't want to be at the Mardi Gras. I want to be in that area during
the
that
French
time.
Quarter. Yeah.
During daytime when it's, you know,
quiet.
People quiet and, you know, doing their normal thing.
And you travel in this van. What kind of van is it?
This is a 2008 Toyota Sienna.
And did you build it out yourself?
Yes, everything is built by me.
Oh, so it's a no-build build, and it's really, you know, you have it set up to where you can reach anything just from right here.
That's kind of a term. It's hard to say. I actually build it, but it's not permanent.
Right.
I mean, you can remove it or put it back in within half hour the most. So I guess it's a no-build build.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's functional. So if you need to take people, you can. But if you don't need to take people,
yeah, just camping.
Isn't that wonderful? So you've camped all over the 48 states. But now Tim's on a new adventure. Hi. You just came back from a trip from Vietnam.
Right. But it was a quick one. So I plan to go back for a whole month. So
a whole month.
I'll be documenting my whole trip, from eating, traveling, how much it costs, and where to stay.
Oh my gosh. Now, is there van life in Vietnam? Would you want to do van life in Vietnam?
Nah, because it's so hot and humid, you don't want to do it. And the cost of living over there is so cheap. Why bother? You only get the hotel or room for like $11, $15 max.
That's
it?
At
least, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And food is only cost maybe $10 to eat the whole day. 3 meals a day, so why?
$3 a day? Come on, Tim. I don't believe you.
$10.
$10 a day?
So about $3 a meal. So why cook?
Aren't those prices amazing? So yeah, I would definitely go over to Vietnam. That sounds like so much fun.
There's a lot of people retired there. So.
I have a relative retired there. Yeah. He loves it there and very affordable. I think you said you could live there for under $1,000 a month and live pretty good.
You don't cook. You don't cook, you don't clean.
Right. That's amazing. So when's the next time you're going back to Vietnam?
In November. for a whole month, 30
Wow.
days.
Wow, that's
Maybe longer, depend.
maybe longer. Oh my gosh. But then you're going to be back in January, allegedly.
Oh, I go to the RTR every year.
Tim comes to the RTR every year. Now, do you ever show your van during the open house tour?
Never. This coming year, I will show. Because I've seen a lot of minivan build.
Right.
And none of them ever show how they can go back between passenger mode and cabin mode and zippy, like the way I design.
And you do it in 15 to 30 minutes.
Not even with this. I got it down to 5 minutes.
5 minutes? You got to be kidding me.
And all my camping gear is still in the vehicles.
So, yeah, so if you don't want a permanent build, Tim is definitely your guy for a non-permanent build. Do you like going to Quartzsite?
Yeah, every year I go there for the last 5 years.
Okay.
But I like to go there hanging out with friends out there for a week or two. So.
Yeah, and there's a lot of meetups happening there.
Right.
Which are, you know, I go to places, maybe you don't go to those places, but I like the Stagecoach restaurant, which has really healthy Chinese food. And yeah, I figured he didn't go there. Oh, Carol from Glowheader meet up there. Hello.
This little setup you guys got.
Thanks.
Thank you. It's a great setup.
Yeah.
So in the future, we can look forward to you doing videos of Vietnam and Quartzsite.
Right.
So if you come to Quartzsite, RTR 2026, everybody, you can not only meet me, and we're going to do a bunch of eat-ups, not meetups. I don't do meetups. We do eat-ups. And Tim,
you better show up with a dish, even the chips.
there you go. And Tim, you said like sometimes in Quartzsite, you get out there and you make egg rolls, was it? Or
I make egg roll at every meetup.
At every meetup, he does egg rolls, and he has the recipe dialed in. It's pretty good.
We love it. Everywhere I go, ever ask me if I'm gonna make egg roll.
Oh my gosh. Oh, and one thing you do on your channel is you do a lot of product demonstrations.
Yeah, lately I do.
Yeah, these days
right now,
bombarded with that.
I already honed in my build, so there's no more van build. So,
right. Well, except for like me, I like rearranging the things. Just
when people ask me what build is, it's like I don't know. It's so many times I don't keep track of it. But this is I had this for almost over a year now, so I don't think I will be changing it.
Oh, your build, yeah. But yeah, it's a remarkable build. You can get to everything in your vehicle, so that's pretty cool.
And it's easy to adapt to it.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I carry stuff, then I still can carry buying stuff from Home Depot and load it in here and take it home.
Right. And that okay? So you're not a full-time camper.
Nah, I'm a part-time.
So when you did your road trip, how many months would you be gone at a time?
It all depends. I think the longest I went was like a month and a half.
Oh.
Trip. Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty good.
I could go longer. I mean, it's self-sustainable rig, but
right.
Sometimes you just get tired being on the road. You just need a break.
I agree with you. Sometimes it's nice just to stretch out, isn't it?
And I actually do have 2 home base, one here in California and another one in Chicago. So I can make a stop anywhere I want.
Isn't that wonderful? Yeah, that is wonderful. Do you like Chicago? Have you been there a few times? I'm
not actually in Chicago. I'm in Schaumburg, which is like northwest of Chicago. It's a suburb, so it's nice. It's nice.
Oh, that's
not nice during winter time, but
right.
The rest of the year is nice.
That's why I like van life. You know, you can chase 70 degrees. You know,
you don't like it, pack up, leave.
Yeah, that's about it. Anything else you'd like my viewers to know about you, Tim?
I'm not only doing van life, I do other DIY stuff too.
Oh yeah.
I'm the kind of guy that do everything.
Yeah,
I'm not an expert on anything, but I will. What was it? Master of none. But
jack of all trades, master of none. You got that, but you did really nice.
Sometimes it's better to know everything, but one.
True, that's true. All right, so we're going to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions for Tim, he's over at Mo Bang Bo Yo Bucks. Oh my gosh, and it's a great channel. Thank you, Tim, for this interview.
Thanks, Terry.
And we'll see you down the road. Bye, everyone. And I certainly hope you check out Tim's channel. Mo bang from your bucks on YouTube. Like I said, it's very fascinating. He's very fascinating. And thank you, Tim, for taking me to Little Saigon. We had a wonderful time. Well, I did. I hope you did too. Bye, everyone. And thanks, Tim. It was a great day.